Today, I would like to share with you a compilation of 40 valuable and actionable suggestions that can help you enhance your lifestyle and enable you to lead more fulfilling life. These tips encompass various aspects such as health, personality development, community engagement, and overall well-being. So let's start. Tips for health. Drink plenty of water, eat breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner like a beggar. Eat more foods that grow on trees and plants, and eat less food that is manufactured in plants. Live with the three E's: energy, enthusiasm, and empathy. Make time for prayer and reflection. Play more games. Read more books than you did in 2022. Sit in silence for at least 10 minutes each day. Sleep for 7 hours. Tips for personality development. Take a 10 to 30 minutes walk every day, and while you walk, smile. Don't compare your life to others. You have no idea what their journey is all about. Don't have negative thoughts or things you can't control. Invest your energy in the positive present moment. Don't overdo. Keep your limits. Don't take yourself so seriously. No one else does. Don't waste your precious energy on gossips. Dream more while you are awake. Envy is a waste of time. You already have all you need. Forget issues of the past. Do not remind your partner with his or her mistakes of past that will ruin your present happiness. Life is too short to waste time hating anyone. Don't hate others. Make peace with your past so it won't spoil the present. No one is in charge of your happiness except you. Realize that life is a school and you are here to learn. Problems are simply part of the curriculum that appear and fade away like algebra class, but the lesson you learn will last a lifetime. Smile and laugh more. You don't have to win every argument. Agree to disagree. Tips for community engagement. Call your family often. Each day, give something good to others. Forgive everyone for everything. Spend time with people over the age of 70 and under the age of 6. Try to make at least 3 people smile each day. What other people think of you is none of your business. Your job won't take care of you when you are sick. Your family and friends will. Stay in touch. Tips for overall well-being. Do the right things. Get rid of anything that isn't useful, beautiful, or joyful. Forgiveness heals everything. However good or bad a situation is, it will change. No matter how you feel, get up, dress up, and show up. The best is yet to come. When you awake alive in the morning, don't take it for granted. Embrace life. Your innermost is always happy, so be happy. And last but not the least, enjoy the life. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, stay inspired and keep living worry-free life.